equations by using graph. Before studying graphical method, you should remember some points. You should follow the steps for drawing a graph of linear equations in two variables. First, as we know that minimum 2 points are required to draw the line. Therefore, first we find at least two order pairs for the given equations. Then draw x-axis and y-axis on graph paper and then plot the points. All points should lie on a line. Then the coordinates of the point of intersection of two lines is the solution of the given equations. Let's solve some examples. Solve the following simultaneous equations using graphical method. The equations are given as x plus y equal to 6 and x minus y equal to 4. Answer. First we consider the equation x plus y equal to 6. This equation is written as y equal to 6 minus x. Here you can take your own values of x and then find y from the above equation, that is the equation y equal to 6 minus x. First take x equal to 0. Putting this value in the equation y equal to 6 minus x, we get y equal to 6 minus 0 equal to 6. Second, take x equal to 2. Then y equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Then if x equal to 4, we get y equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Now we write these values of x and y in the form of table. Observe the table. The first row shows values of x, second row shows the values of y, and third row shows order pair xy. For x equal to 0, y is 6 and the order pair is 0, 6. For x equal to 2, y is 4 and the order pair is 2, 4. For x equal to 4, y is 2 and the order pair is 4, 2. In this way, for the equation x plus y equal to 6, we find 3 order pairs. Now consider the second equation x minus y equal to 4. From this equation, we write y equal to x minus 4. Again here, we take the values of x and then find the value of y. If x equal to 0, putting this value in the equation y equal to x minus 4, we get y equal to 0 minus 4 equal to minus 4. Second, if x equal to 1, we get y equal to 1 minus 4 equal to minus 3. Next, if x equal to 4, then y equal to 4 minus 4 equal to 0. Then we write these values of x and y in the form of table. You observe the table. First row shows the values of x. Second row shows the values of y. And third row shows the order pair x, y. For x equal to 0, we get y equal to -4. And therefore order pair is 0, -4. For x equal to 1, y is -3. And the order pair is 1, -3. For x equal to 4, y is 0 and the order pair is 4, 0. In this way here we find three order pairs for the second equation x minus y equal to 4. Then we draw the graph for these two linear equations. First, draw x-axis and y-axis as shown in figure. X-axis and y-axis intersect at point O and it is called as the origin. To the right of the origin, there are positive integers 1, 2, 3 and so on. To the left of the origin, there are negative integers -1, -2, -3 and so on. Above the origin, there are positive integers on y-axis 1, 2, 3 and so on. And below the origin, on the y-axis, there are negative integers, that is -1, -2, -3 and so on. Now consider the first equation y equal to 6 minus x. Now for this equation, first we plot the points. The points are 0, 6. This point lie on the y-axis above the origin. Then the points 2, 4 and 4, 2. These 2 points lies in the first quadrant as shown in the figure. Then draw the line passing through these 3 points as shown in figure. Then consider the second equation y is equal to x minus 4. For this equation, we plot the points. The points are 0, -4. This point lies on y-axis below the origin. 1, -3, it lies in the fourth quadrant as shown in figure. And the point 4, 0, it lies on x-axis. Then draw the line passing through these 3 points as shown in figure. In this way, we draw 2 lines as shown in the figure. These 2 lines intersect at point 5, 1. That is here x coordinate is 5 and y coordinate is 1. And hence the solution of the given simultaneous equations is x equal to 5 and y equal to 1. Thus you have studied the graphical method, that is how to find solution of simultaneous equations by using the graph paper. You try to solve more examples from the practice set. Thank you.